The door panel is attached to the door with 4 screws. The first screw is located under the cover at the inside door handle. Pry out the cover on the front and remove it. Remove the screw underneath. The second screw is located under the Windows switch. First, remove the cover around the speaker. The cover is only plugged in, but removing it can take a while. After the cover on the speaker is off, you can remove the cover of the inner handle, loosen it at the front, and then pull it forward. Now you can release the switch from the inside and push it upwards. Remove the screw underneath. Screws 3 and 4 are freely accessible and are located at the bottom of the panel. Remove both screws. After all screws have been removed, the panel is only held in place with clips. Starting from the bottom, pull the panel off the door with force and force. Helpful tools are linked in the description. The top panel is also attached to the shaft strip/door with metal clips. Here, too, pull away from the door. Now just unhook the inside handle directly from the lock. And unplug and free the cable harness. That's it. Good luck with your DIY project.